Anomalous behavior. Anomalous behavior of oxygen. First, atomicity of oxygen. Oxygen is diatomic molecule which are occurs in O2, while other molecules are occurs in polyatomic molecules like sulfur, acid. But oxygen are occur in O2 state. It is a diatomic molecule. The second property, magnetic properties. Magnetic properties. Oxygen is a paramagnetic because in oxygen element electrons are occur in unpaired while other elements are diamagnetic. Then third, oxidation state. At that point oxygen shows -2, -1 and +2 oxidation state. While other elements like sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium are shows -2, +2, +4 and +6 oxidation state. Next property, nature of hydrides. Hydrides of oxygen is S2. It occurs in liquid state at room temperature, but other hydrides are occurs in gaseous state. Then behavior of oxygen is due to following reasons. There are three reasons of behavior of oxygen. In that point, first behavior is small atomic size of oxygen. Then second, high electronegativity of oxygen. And third, in that case of oxygen element, here absence of inner d orbitals. Then anomalous behavior of fluorine. The fluorine is a first member of group 17. It is a differs from other elements or members of group in respect to following points. First is a very small size of fluorine atom. The second, very high electronegativity. This fluorine is a most electronegative element in all periodic in among periodic table. Then third property is absence of vacant d orbital in valence shell. And then fourth, dissociation energy in the molecular form is the least. Then some anomalous properties of fluorine. First anomalous property of fluorine is ionization enthalpy, then electronegativity, electrode potential. All these three properties of fluorine are higher for fluorine than other halogen atoms like chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. Then second properties like ionic and covalent radii, then melting point, boiling point, and electron gain enthalpies are lower. Then third, most of the reactions of fluorine are exothermic reactions. Means here heat are evolved in this reaction of fluorine. Therefore, these reactions are exothermic. Then fourth, it forms only one oxoacis. Fluorine are forms oxoacis like HOF. Then, while other elements or members in this group are formed, number of oxoacids, means several oxoacids are formed than remaining members of this group 17. Then hydrogen fluoride is a liquid and it is occurs in liquid. Therefore, boiling point of this HF is about 293 Kelvin. And this boiling point of HF are due to the strong bonding while hydrogen halides, other hydrogen halides are occurs in gaseous state. These are some anomalous properties of fluorine. Then chemical properties of elements of group 16, 17 and 18. Among these chemical properties, first property is oxidation state. The group 16 elements shows -2, +2 oxidation state in their compounds. In case of OF2 means oxygen dichloride are shows +2 oxidation state. NaS2O2, Na2O2 are shows -1 oxidation state. Sodium peroxide, sodium peroxide are shows -1 oxidation state. While other elements are shows +2, +4, +6 oxidation states. And stability of this higher plus 6 oxidation state are decreases down the group, while stability of lower oxidation state means that of plus 4 are increases down the group due to their inert pair effect. In group 17 elements are shows minus 1 oxidation state like chlorine, bromine and iodine are exhibit also plus 1, plus 3, plus 5 and plus 7 oxidation state. We say several oxidation states are occurred by elements Cl, Br and iodine. Then third, group 18 elements are called as noble gases. They mostly exist in monoatomic gases. For example, xenon has large atomic size and lower ionization enthalpy. Means xenon dichloride are shows plus 2 oxidation state. Xenon tetrafluorides means XCF4 are shows plus 4 oxidation state. Then xenon hexafluoride is XCF6 are shows plus 6 oxidation state. And also XaO3 are also shows plus 6 oxidation state. This is first properties of group 16, 17 and 18 oxidation state. In second part, chemical reactivity towards hydrogen. Group 16 elements they react with when hydrogen to form hydrides of type Es2m. Means here when E is equal to oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. Then second, Es2 molecule. It is a colorless, odorless liquid. While Es2Se, selenium hydrides or tellurium hydrides and polonium hydrides are colorless and having bad smelling. Then all hydrides except Es2 are possess reducing properties, and with these properties are increases in the order like S2S is less than S2SE then S2T. Then second, group 17 elements. When group 17 elements are react with hydrogen, which are forms hydrogen halides, like general reaction Es2 plus Es2 equals twice HX. In acidic strength of these halogen acids, which are increases in order, like HF, then HCl, then HBr, then HI. Here, due to decrease bond dissociation enthalpy, in order like HF is greater than HCl, then HBr, then HI. When the strength of halogen acid are increases, then here decrease bond dissociation enthalpy in the order of HF, then HCl, then HBr and HI. It is against. There remain group 18 elements, which are chemically inert elements. Therefore, these are chemically inert towards the hydrogen elements. Due to their stable electronic configuration, its octet are complete. Then next property, reactivity towards oxygen. Group 16 elements when react with oxygen, it forms several type of oxides like AO2 and UO3. Where is again here sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. When AO2 type oxygen plus O, it forms ozone molecules, which is O3. Then sulfur react with this O2, it forms sulfur dioxide. These are occurs in gaseous state. While selenium dioxide, when selenium react with oxygen, it forms selenium dioxide, and it is a solid in nature. And they are acidic in nature when react with water to form corresponding its acids. Like in reaction SO2 plus S2O, it forms S2SO3 from sulfuric acid. When the selenium dioxide react with water, then it forms its acid. This reactivity are decreases from sulfur dioxide to tellurium oxide. The sulfur dioxide is a reducing property. It shows good reducing properties. But tellurium dioxide is a oxidizing in nature. Then UO3 type, sulfur trioxide, selenium trioxide, or tellurium trioxide, which are acidic in nature. And these are when dissolved in water to form its corresponding acids. Like in reaction, selenium trioxide plus S2O, it forms S2ACO4. In group 17 elements, they form oxides like chloride oxides. When chlorine reacts with oxygen, then it forms Cl2O, then ClO2, Cl2O6, and Cl2O7 are highly reactive and which are used as a oxidizing agents. The next property, reactivity towards halogen atoms. Group 16 elements of group 16 are react with halogens to give large number of halides of type EX6, EX4 and EX2, where E is equal to sulfur, selenium and tellurium. This stability of halides are decreases in order of fluorides, in chlorides, bromides and iodides. For example, when selenium dichlorides are react with decomposes in order to selenium tetrachlorides and it forms triselenium. Then group 17 elements, these halogen atoms are combined to number of another halogen atoms. It form number of compounds which are known as interhalogen compounds like XX type, XX3 types, XX5 types, XX7 types. These are called as the interhalogen compounds. For example, CCl4 or CCl IF7 or CLN3 IF5. Then group 18 elements. These elements are chemically inert, therefore react with fluorine to give number of fluorides compounds. For example, when xenon react with fluorine, then it forms xenon dichlorides. The next property, reactivity towards metals. Group 16 elements are react with metals to form compounds, various type of compounds. For example, when aluminum react with oxygen, then it forms aluminum oxide, it's aluminum, like twice Al2O3. Then second reaction, when copper react with sulfur, then it forms copper sulfide. Then magnesium react with selenium, then it forms magnesium selenide. Then group 17 elements, when react with metal, to form metal halides. Like example, when sodium react with chlorine, then it forms sodium chloride. It's like here twice Na plus Cl2, it gives twice NaCl. Then second example, magnesium react with bromine to form magnesium bromide. And this ionic character of halides are decreases into order like AMF greater than AMCl, greater than EMBr, greater than EMI. Here, this M, capital M, is a monovalent metal. This oxidation number are higher. These compounds are more covalent than metal in lower oxidation state. For example, SnCl4 tin tetrachloride or PbCl4 tin tetrachloride, sbTl4 Cl4 5 and UF6 are more covalent in nature than ASNCl6 or low oxidation state. PbCl12 low oxidation state. These are less covalent in nature. When group 18 elements, these noble gases are does not directly react with metals because these are inert gases.